will see how to print alphabet right angle triangle pattern. Let's move to Visual Studio Code and execute this pattern. We can see here in this pattern, triangle is aligned in the left side. Along with every alphabet, a space character is appended, and the number of alphabets are gradually increasing line by line from 1 to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So let's see code to execute this pattern. We have already seen how to print number triangle pattern. Run this file pytriangle.py. Now in this code, modify this print statement to print alphabet triangle pattern 64 plus 9 minus I minus j character. Save the file, run the file in the terminal pytriangle.py. This is our expected right angle triangle pattern. In the next video tutorial, we will see another type of alphabet right angle triangle pattern.